Hi, I'm Nick, and welcome to KooBits, the best place for practicing math. In this video, I'm going to show you an example to solve a math problem. The method used can be applied to other similar math questions. Okay, let's get started.
Keddy, Sebastian, and James had some pocket money. Sebastian had 4 times as much as Keddy's money. James had 3 times as much as Sebastian's money. They had $8.50 altogether. How much did James have? Let's break down the question and understand it, shall we? Sebastian had 4 times as much as Keddy's money. Do we know how much Sebastian had? No, we do not. Do we know how much Keddy had? No, we have no idea either. But we do know that Sebastian had 4 times of the amount Keddy had. James had 3 times as much as Sebastian's money. Do we know how much James had? No, we were not given this information directly. However, the amount James had was 3 times the amount Sebastian had. They had $8.50 altogether. Their total amount was $8.50. How much did James have? The question asks us to find the amount James had. Alright, now that we've understood the question, let's move on to solve this word problem. Sebastian had 4 times as much as Keddy's money. Let's use a rectangle to represent the amount Keddy had. Let's use 4 rectangles of the same size to represent Sebastian's money. James had 3 times as much as Sebastian's money. Now, let's combine the 4 rectangles that represent Sebastian's money to make one long rectangle. Let's use 3 long rectangles to represent James's money. They had $8.50 altogether. Let's label the sum of the 3 diagrams belonging to Keddy, Sebastian, and James as $8.50. Can you see that the units in the 3 diagrams are of different sizes? Do you think there is a way to make all the units equal? Yes. Do you remember that Sebastian's diagram was made up of 4 small rectangles at first? Let's refer to each small rectangle as one unit. Since Sebastian's diagram is made up of 4 units, how many units is James's diagram made up of? Can you see that each of the 3 long rectangles in James's diagram can be represented as 12 units? Do you understand? Great! Let's move on to the next part. The number of units in James's diagram is equal to 4 multiplied by 3 equals 12 units. The total number of units that represent Keddy's, Sebastian's, and James's money is equal to 1 unit plus 4 units plus 12 units equals 17 units. 17 units are equal to $8.50. 1 unit is equal to $8.50 divided by 17, equals 50 cents. Since James's diagram is made up of 12 units, the amount that James had is equal to 50 cents multiplied by 12 equals $6. Hence, James had $6. Let's move on to check our answers and ensure they are correct. From our answer, we know that James had $6. Since we know that James had 3 times as much as Sebastian's money, the amount Sebastian had is equal to $6 divided by 3 equals $2. Also, we know that Sebastian had 4 times as much as Keddy's money. The amount Keddy had is equal to $2 divided by 4 equals 50 cents. The total amount they had altogether is equal to $6 plus $2 plus 50 cents equals $8.50. This corresponds to the value given in the question. Therefore, we know our answer is correct.
KooBits, engaging the digital kids.